Guys, so we are in Bukidnon at the communal ranch. Actually, this is very nice. Maraming tao ngayon kasi Sunday. So, may parking na 200 pesos. And yung entrance is I think 50 pesos. And then, environmental fee na 20 pesos. So, all in all, we paid for 4 persons for 80. I thought malaki yung river, yung parang lake. But actually, it's not. So, ano lang siguro. Yung for drinking water ng mga baka. So, yun yung mga baka doon. So, it's not so warm kahit na alas 12 ngayon. So yan yung makikita mong mountain ranges at the back. So ito maraming tao ngayon. Pwede ka magpipiknik dyan. So actually, it's a very large space. Kulang lang dito yung yung restaurant. You'd have to go somewhere else. Tinadadayuin mo talaga to. So yun galing kami dyan. So, okay. So may dalawang houses. I'm not sure yung isa if private, but yung isa is parang yan, parang canteen. May nagtitinda din ng ulam, pagkain. Pwede ka rin magbaon dito. So, and then mapipiknik kayo dyan. So, that's it for now. This is the communal ranch trip to Bukidnon.